how to enable camera location tags on Android so your photos can save location information when you take them. First, open the camera app on your phone. Now, tap the three-line menu and go to Settings icon at the top of the screen. Inside Camera Settings, look for an option called Location, Add Location Tags, or Save Location. Once you find it, simply turn the option on. If the camera app asks for location permission, tap Allow to give the camera access to your device's location. Now, when you take a new photo, the location information can be saved with the photo. To check it, open your Gallery or Photos app and select the picture you just took. Tap the Info icon or swipe up on the photo. If location tagging is working, you'll see the location information in the photo details. And that's it. You've successfully enabled camera location tags on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.